Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another possible airdrop chance today. As you know, Zkcross has recently launched its mainnet, and with its launch, various projects started to apply to be a part of the Zkcross ecosystem. As of the second video of our Zkcross playlist, I will talk about the Zkcross and Omniswap. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram channels to keep up with upcoming videos and events. Now, let's get started. Zkcross is a decentralized and secure cross-chain infrastructure that provides a multi-chain execution layer for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Kucoin networks. It combines aggregating layer 2 and multi-chain rollup to create a dedicated execution layer that allows interplaying among multiple blockchains while supporting developers to build applications with any programming language. We are currently at the early stage of the development process, and by testing its portals and providing feedback on its Discord channel, you might get a chance to earn airdrops in its ecosystem. You can access their Discord channel from the link below this video. Also watch our zksync, Aptos, and Sui network tutorials to learn more about airdrops and testnets. Now let's continue with how to participate in this testnet. Here we have the launch Omniswap button at the top. Click on it and it will direct us to Omniswap. Omniswap is one of the decentralized exchanges built in the Zkcross ecosystem. First, you must have a MetaMask wallet, and you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to create one. After connecting your wallet, you must select the girly testnet option and have testnet Ethereum in your wallet. If you don't know how to, you can watch the first episode of this playlist from the card in the top right corner. After connecting your wallet, choosing the proper network, and having enough testnet Ethereum to pay the transaction fees, click on this faucet button and start minting the ZKC token by clicking on this claim button and approving the transaction request from your MetaMask wallet. Do it at least 3 times. Then click on this wallet button and activate your layer 2 wallet from any of these options to request T token, USDT, and USDC coins on the girly network. You can also use the Binance, Kronos, and Rolux testnets to increase your chances. To deposit first, you must transfer your ZKC tokens from your layer 1 wallet to your layer 2 wallet. Click on this button, click on this max button, confirm it, and accept the request from your MetaMask wallet. These options are currently inactive due to high usage, but once it's active, you can start requesting these coins to use later for swapping between networks and combining tokens to provide liquidity in any of these pools. All these options will be active once the beta testnet starts, and you can follow the project's social media accounts to keep up with the upcoming news. Once the project launches its beta version, we can swap tokens between networks by using the swap option and providing liquidity from different networks, and you can learn more about these processes from our various tutorials. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.